Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Substack. So Substack is a platform that lets you write, publish, and share newsletters or articles and even earn money from paid subscription. So first you have to go to substack.com, click get started and sign up with email, Google or Apple. Here you can create your workspace and then agree with the terms and condition, set up your profile. You can add here the name of your profile. You can also add your bio below, but this one is optional. And then you can also add your Instagram account right here. And once you're done, then what you're going to do next is tap on continue. Now you can create or start with your publication here. You can add the name and description of your publication. And then after that, tap on continue. Make sure that this one is unique. You can import your link right here if you have, but if you don't have, then you can skip this part. And then you can add your email address here or your friend or teammate's email address, but actually this one is optional, or you can do that one later. So you can now proceed. Now click here your interest. So just select your interest right here. Okay, art, everything is up to you. And then once done, just go on and press or select continue. You can also subscribe and follow these writers if you know them. And then after that, you can now proceed. Now this is what it looks like. You can now start or write your first post. You can click new post right here. Use the editor to add headlines and body text. You can insert images, videos, links, format text with bold, italics, bullet points. Choose whether to send as an email to subscribers, publish only on your Substack site, or do both at once. So once you're done with this, then you can just basically continue and publish this one. Now you can also add here subscribe form so that you can grow your audience. All you have to do is go to button and then add subscribe here. So basically that's how easy it is. Now here you can enable paid subscription, engage with subscribers, analyze your performance. So tips for success on Substack: you need to post consistently, once a week or twice a month. Niche down, focus on one theme so people know why they are subscribing. Let's just say if it's financial, it's all about financial. Use catchy subject lines to improve open rates and engage with other Substack writers to cross promotion. This is how easy it is to use Substack. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.